Just pulled in looking for a parking space here at the penitentiary, and pulled in here to the side street and asked the girl, "This is public parking?" She says, "Yes, it is, and you're very fortunate to get a spot." So thank God for that. So here we are in Philadelphia. Today we're going to take a walking photo tour of Eastern State, get this right, Eastern State Penitentiary in downtown Philadelphia. Come along. This is one of the older neighborhoods of Philadelphia. This goes back a couple hundred years. These buildings are old. It's like you're going back to some of the older areas of Baltimore or even Washington, some of the older neighborhoods. So different culture down here. They have a fee here if you bring a tripod in. A tripod that touches the ground, it's $10 equipment fee. Helps the cause here, I guess. So since my gorilla pod that technically doesn't touch the ground, it's more for a handheld, they didn't charge me. To the center, right?
This one leads towards Al Capone's cell. If you go around the corner, that cell block will lead you to center.
I was here once before a few years ago and got some great shots of this place. And today I'm going to take you, my audience, along to show you how I captured those images and some thoughts that went on behind it. So very interesting place, very old, a lot of history. And I remember the last time I was here, how quiet it was in here. Everybody almost had a reverential attitude as they toured through here. It wasn't imposed, it was just something that was in the atmosphere. So check it out, see what you think. I like this door here. It's got some of the original paint on it.
Stay as is.
Okay.
Yeah, the only fully restored space that we have right now is the synagogue.
Oh.
Have you seen the synagogue?
What's that?
Have you seen the synagogue?
No.
Yeah, so if you go down these doors, right here, this alleyway, will lead you right to the synagogue.
This door right here.
Yep.
Okay.
That's the only space that's been really restored to look like, what it would have looked like when the penitentiary closed.
Right. Thank you.
Yeah.
I asked one of the tour guides about the arches here, and he says when this was built, the spiritual aspect of life was more prominent in the culture, and they wanted people to have a religious or a spiritual encounter while they were here. So they built this place with that in mind, and everywhere you look, you see the arches. This is one of the old unrestored sections of the prison. I think this is what it all looked like before they started working here and started restoring this and making it into a museum. So look how much work they've done here. All these cell blocks look the same to me, so it's hard finding exactly where I shot some of these pictures, these still photos before, but I think I found one of them here. Check this out. Nope, that's not it. Looks similar, but not quite. Here we go. This is it. Similar lighting as that when I shot the still photo. Walking by, I just saw this blue wall. I didn't see blue in here before, so, and I like the peeling paint. Check it out. Some artists have taken sponsorship of some of these cells, and they come and they do their own artwork on the walls. This is one of them.
Watch this plate on the floor. It can trip you up at times. The original operating room photo right here. Operating room lamp, which was changed over to this one in 1941, and medical instruments in glass cabinets.
Well, that just about completes my tour here today of Eastern State Penitentiary in Philadelphia. Hope you enjoyed it. If you like what you're seeing, want to see some more videos, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell so you can be alerted when they come out. So thanks, folks, and see you next time.